This is not a ritual of strength. It is a ritual of truth. The gods haven't chosen its eyes.
Life!
Stop! No one touches her until the cleansing is done. The tree did not die by chance. It was wounded by envy. By that one that has a bitter heart. Adaku invited the spirit.
She caused it! She caused us. She must be punished.
What have you done?
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
The gods show us mercy. Let us all forgive her.
Ngozi. Ngozi, hurry up, please. My customers are waiting. Ngozi. Are you okay? Talk to me. Are you okay? Ngozi. Are you sure? Are you okay? Ngozi, talk to me. Are you sure? Okay, let's hurry. Let us hurry. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Let us go. This is good for healing. Do not worry. You are right. This one is poisonous. How did you know? You.
Informer, always busy.
Ifoma, look at the sun. The sun is even tired today. Onyeka.
The sun does not sleep. It rises.
Exactly. Exactly, Ifoma. And that is why it burns down every evening. All day, chekweche. Nya, obatu.
Why are you here this early?
Oh, for marriage. Ifoma, I came here this early because of marriage. Let me tell you, if you marry me, nya, you have peace. No more hard work. Even if this help, I can help you.
And what will you do?
You are still asking me what I will do with all these things that I've explained to you. Yeah, I will supervise your life. I will be in charge. I will supervise your... Why is she disagreeing?
Because she sees consequences.
Consequences? She's just small.
So it's true.
Ifoma, farming is stressful. Very, very stressful. I prefer peace.
Peace does not eat Ugonma.
Ifoma, now I see you are indeed a strong woman.
Ugonma, I am not strong. I am only a prepared one.
There is no problem. I will go, but I will come back when destiny improves.
Ugonma, come back when effort does.
destiny lies on the pathway no one understands. Oh, Ngozi Kamwabo, Ngozi, Ngozi Kamwabo, Omalicha Mwani Ebube Chukwu Sogeje. Ngozi, Ngozi, Ngozi Kamwabo, Ngozi, Omalicha Mwani Ebube Chukwu Sogeje. Ngozi, 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 Ngozi Kamwabo, Omalicha Mwani Ebube Chukwu Sogeje. Ngozi, Ngozi, Ngozi Kamwabo, Omalicha Mwani Ebube Chukwu Sogeje. Ngozi is destined to bring light when the darkness arises. She's destined to bring light. No more sorrow, Ngozi, Ngozi is here. No more sickness, Ngozi is around. Nwachukwu nyere anyị ka o nyere obodo anyị aka. Nwanne mmụọ na-alụ ọlụ ya. Ngozi ya.
Greetings, Nne. I am sorry for visiting unannounced. I am sorry I didn't take. I don't.
Nature has its way of communicating with its own. You're welcome. Sit. You are here to learn about our culture and the secret of our sacred tree.
How do you know? How do you know this? Because I never mentioned this to anyone.
Obiefuna Chike, son of late Chief Obiefuna.
Do you know my? Do you know my father? How do you know my late father's name?
That is not why you are here. We will talk about that later.
Okay. Okay. I'm here because I want to know about the village and the connection with the sacred tree of life. I need to know why it is called the tree of life. What made it a tree of?
Chike, the answers you seek lie in you. But don't worry. Time will unfold everything. Time will unfold everything. The sacred tree is the heart of the village. And the secret is not for the faint-hearted.
Greetings, Ugonma.
Greetings, Jade. What brings you to my house this early? I hope I am safe.
Ugonma, you cannot have someone as rich as I am in this village and still ask if you are safe. Of course you are safe. See, I am here to show you how serious I am.
I hope it is not what I am thinking.
Have this.
What is that?
Just have it, feel it.
Where is the other one?
Have it first. Just feel it. Is it not beautiful?
Where is the rest of it, Chidi?
Marriage teaches balance. One to do, the other one to do. Yeah, little girl. She doesn't like gifts.
She dislikes bargains that comes in disguise as love.
As little as she is. What does she know about love? See, Ugonma, I'm a very careful woman.
Careful builds houses, Chidi. Why fear empties them? You should know that.
Okay, I can even add a necklace. Just a little one.
Chidi, please, can you just go with your gifts, your necklace? I am not for sale.
You're such a difficult woman.
I am not difficult. I am simply honest. If only you can be.
If I go Jamie, lady, and I'm back, nobody can stop her at all because I wear of her. If I go Jamie, lady, and I'm back, no more sorrow, cause it doesn't here. No more sickness, cause it is around. What you put here,
What is it? What is it? What is it? What do you see? Huh? Why are you breathing like that? You're all right. Huh? You are safe. You are safe. Relax.
Madoka, you are welcome.
Yes. Oh, thank you very much, Nne. They said the toad does not run in the daytime for no reasons. Either something is after it or it is after something.
Nne, you have seen many seasons.
Seasons come and go, but memory stays.
Nne, I have come to ask, as the oldest that remembers, when will the festival of this community fall in this year?
The festival does not choose days. Days submit to it.
Will it fall on Ekemake Day?
If the signs does not change, yes.
That means our people have to start getting prepared.
Preparation without truth is noise.
It is not easy for our people.
Because something is being remembered, but something else is being avoided.
The gods are wise. The gods are wise. Nne, I will deliver your message to our people. Meanwhile, let me start going.
Who's there? Who?
You are a human being. Show yourself. I am not scared of you. I am not afraid of you. Show yourself. You're a ghost. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want? Show yourself. Show yourself! If you're a spirit, what do you want from me? Show yourself! Leave me alone!
Get up and go home. Get up and go home. Go home.
No, why?
Because questions are slow, but obedience is very fast. Go home.
Hey,
do not argue. Don't argue with me. Go home. Now! As you walk back home, do not turn your back. Do not answer to any call. Go home. When you get to your house, get inside, lock your door. No matter who comes to knock, do not open. Do not open. Go home. It has started. It has started. Ngozi. 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 are not welcome here. How did you enter this village?
The gate was never closed.
This land is sealed by oath and blood. No wandering shadow enters this village without our consent.
Root is there.
But the sacred tree still stands.
But it's not wasted.
You are not of this land. Don't talk about the child.
Seals what is very. Yes, what is silent.
Go! Go back to wherever you came from.
When the tree falls, village.
This year festival should come early.
You're right. And on a market day, that will be immediately after the new moon. And let me tell you, I have already mapped out 15 tubers of yam, 2 goats that our visitors will enjoy. People must eat and be happy that very day.
Exactly. As long as Bahuba tree is still there, Omenkokuru 1, I will donate 1 he goat with a shibura of 1.
In addition to my own?
Yes.
Wait, nevertheless.
But it has never been so quiet like this. I wonder what is going on. I don't know what you mean by quiet. Oh, quiet is quiet, and quietness is quietness.
Mazi, don't forget that this festival is going to be a special one. So there's something like quietness.
Special.
Don't be
a special one.
Yes.
A special one.
It's going to be a special.
A special one.
Yes. And moreover, on that
let's leave it like that.
Don't talk again. Let's leave it.
Good.
She has never been like this.
Don't worry. I'm sure she'll be fine. Have you forgotten what the old man told you?
No, I have not. I still remember.
Good. What's this?
I think she wants something.
What?
She wants to write.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Good. Where's my bag? I have a pen and my paper. Then the goods I came prepared. Here's a pen. Taught her how to write.
Sometimes she just makes symbols. I do not understand them all the time.
Asị m nwata nwoke na-anyị n'ife niile eme alụwa ala nwụrụ mmanya n'ọkwa nga ngwọgbaka enu rie ana rie onye chi ibi ya rida ewere anazare mmiri etu aka ọ dị eje anabụ isi ije okirikiri ka na-agbụkwụta na ha rie enu Nkiri ka na-ekiri edaji ihe n'ozu aṅụrụ mmanya. Ha! Nwata nwoke na-anyị na ife na ihe na-eme alụwa. Ndị anyị n'ụwa maka mma. Nshiwata a ga-asị ma n'ihu n'ihu. Ndị anyị n'ụwa maka mma o. Huh? Ada?
Father.
You're already back. I thought you said you were going to see your friend, Ifeoma.
Ifeoma was not around, Father.
What does that man see in Ifeoma? The woman already has a child. A mute one at that. Did he not see other single girls in this village? Did he not see me?
Adako.
Or don't I look good enough for him?
Adako.
Why choose a woman with a burden already tied to her waist?
Adako.
Father.
Where were your mind all this while I'm calling you?
Sorry, Father. What do I do for you?
Go in there and get me another keg of palm wine.
Okay,
this one is finished. Children of nowadays. For 3 times I called her. She wasn't with herself.
This is Ngozi. My brother, I brought her to you. She keeps seeing things that we don't understand, yet she wouldn't say a word.
I know.
You know?
Yes, I have known this since the very first time she set her feet on the soil. She is the daughter of the gods. The sacred tree, Baobab. She was sent here for a purpose.
The sacred tree?
Yes. The watcher between worlds. The one who speaks when the earth is wounded. She is the reason this village still exists. She came through you, Ifeoma, because the gods do not plant their seeds in a bitter heart. Your heart is clean. She has seen it.
She has seen what? Nne, what did she see?
The first time it came, I knew it. That day I sent you back to your house.
Yes. I remember. She asked me to go home. She sent me back to my house and she warned me never to look back until I get home. I never knew why.
Yes, because it followed you here. That thing is not of this soil. It smells weakness.
What does it want? What does it want?
To destroy the heart of this land.
The sacred tree? Baobab?
Yes. For now. No one must know what this girl sees. Not the elders. Not the villagers.
Why?
Because no one knows what has truly crossed into the village. When the time is right, the tree will speak and she will listen.
Adako, you cannot keep chasing a man. You need to calm down. Stop looking for a man that would, I don't know, calm down. You will get, one will come to you.
So what should I do?
It's very simple. Calm down. When you relax, take it chill. Then a good man will locate you. You will attract yourself with a good man.
But I've already found one.
Adako, from the look of your eyes, if the person you are referring to is me, then I am sure you are making a lot of mistake. Because it will never happen.
I know it's because of that girl, Ugonma.
No. Ugonma has nothing to do with this. She's absolutely innocent. She has nothing to do with my decision.
Chike, look at me. Chike, look at me.
Okay.
Ugonma have a child, a mute one at that. Now look at me. I don't have any. Look at me. My father is one of the richest in this community, if not the richest. Please, Chike, please.
Will you take your hands off me right now? I will not stand here and listen to you talk about an innocent child because of her condition. And like I said, when you are calm, the gods will give you a man that you deserve.
Chike, if I can't have you, no one else will.
Then you better stay. The gods will have to bless you with a dwarf as a big priest.
The river does not flow backwards. There must be peace and no more. May the gods forgive us and bring peace and no more once again. Yes, sir. Adako, you came back late. Where have you been? Adako! Hi. What has come over this girl? Are you sure this is the same attack of my daughter, the one I know? Maybe an evil spirit has influenced her. The gods forgive her. May the gods forgive us. Let there be peace in our kingdom again. Ha! Oh, I can see this is youthful exuberance.
If I cannot have peace, then no one will. I just want it to end now.
What is it? It's okay, you're safe. You are safe. Gozi, what did you see? Where are you going?
Why? I've been doing this for years. I'm used to it.
Listen, you are a lady. A lady's body is very, very flexible and shouldn't do this kind of hard work that is meant for men. Do you understand? Well, please, let me have it. Let me have it, please.
Look, if people sees you doing this in my compound, they will talk.
People, they will talk.
Yes.
People, come and see me, oh! I want to chop the hold this back, let me show you. So they will come and see me do it. This is the job of a man, not a woman. Eh?
Look, she already approves of you.
Of course she should. Who else would approve of me? Let me do it myself. Something that you should just hold it like this. Shift, stand here.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Relax, just watch, you hold it like this. You put one leg, You put one leg. Then you raise it high. I see how really high.
Chicken.
If you want to bring it down, you hit it here. Are you seeing it now?
That you're a man doesn't mean that you know what you are doing.
Just like this. Yeah.
Okay.
One is one. Finish.
Adako. You are here.
Former. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
I heard Ngozi, your daughter, was sick.
Yes, she was. She was, but she's fine now.
Oh, okay.
She's much better.
Oh, I traveled to my mother's village.
Okay.
I should have come earlier.
So that is why you did not come?
Yes.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Okay. Welcome back.
Yeah.
As you can see, Ngozi is much better.
But Ifoma, why would you allow a stranger in your house? Why? See, if the villager sees this, it will attract more eyes.
Are you talking about Chike?
Yes. I don't encourage this, please.
Well, I do not see anything wrong with it.
How?
Look, Chike is a nice person as far as I can tell. And ever since he saved Ngozi, she has been very close to him. The thing is, I have never seen her this comfortable with anyone. She has a friend in him and I do not have a problem with it, like I said.
Okay. Then the goes, you all are happy.
Yes.
Ngozi, you're getting better.
Yes, she is. She's just busy with whatever she's writing there.
Okay, I have to be on my way now.
Already?
Yes.
Won't you wait for me to offer you something?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Our destiny lies on the pathway no one understands. Oh, Ngozi Kamwabo, Ngozi Kamwama, Omalicha Mwani Ebube Chukwu Sogeje. 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 Ngozi is destined to bring light when the darkness arises. She's destined to bring light.
I have never seen my daughter this happy. I wish and pray to the gods that she never stops smiling. Chike and Ngozi. Chike and Ngozi, food is ready. Ngozi, Chike! Food is ready. Oh.
I have never seen Berber tree like this. Not in my lifetime.
Mazi, it's very unfortunate that this thing is happening to here in our village.
honestly, I don't know what to say because the leaves falling off can be so calamitous to this village.
Meaning that something is wrong somewhere.
Yes,
And
something is wrong.
I therefore suggest we go to Maze Ndoka to let him know about it.
Maze Ndoka. In that case, I let us see Mame Bere too. But at the same time, I support you that we'll go see Maze Ndoka. From there, we'll now go to Mame Bere, who will be in a better position to solve this problem for us. He'll consult the gods.
Yes.
And they will tell her what is happening.
Let's put it into action.
Simple.
Let's go.
No fear. Because the situation is not coming down. So we must be very soon.
Elders of Umawa,
Mazinduka,
where are you people rushing to?
Mazinduka, we're coming to your house.
For something very important.
That's a good one.
Nevertheless, let us take it immediately.
That's a good one.
Mazinduka.
Listen.
The baobab tree leaves are falling, and the villagers are scared.
Mazi, it is a warning. Something amiss is happening. We must take drastic action to save the situation in order not to fall into calamity.
I have seen it. I have. Just that the spirit of a baobab tree is restless. Yes. And such thing has never happened before. I don't know.
Mazi, that is why we must go and meet Mama Ebere. She is the only one who knows the old ways of the gods and their signs. She will be in a position to solve this problem for us.
Yes. We must never let this continue. Because if the sacred tree warning is ignored, the consequences will be on the villagers.
On that note, what we have to do is to prepare ourselves and then go straight to Mame Bere, respectfully tell her every truth. Then she will give us the solution or what next to do.
They must not panic. Let the villagers keep gazing until solution is found.
I think it is decided. In this case, I suggest we move together without wasting time to solve this problem and get a solution.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go together. Yes.
Chicken. What is it?
Something terrible is going on.
What is going on?
The secretary is dying.
It's withering off. I've not seen. I can't even understand what is going on. How can the secretary start dying off? The leaves are dying off. They are all on the ground.
Are you serious?
Is he not a bad woman?
Of course it is.
That means the whole community is in trouble.
It is falling. The leaves are falling.
It is withering. It is dying. It is withering. It is drying up.
The gods will not allow that to happen to us. It cannot be true.
I What's going on?
Ngozi. Ngozi, I am here. Do not be afraid. Ngozi, what is it?
The breeze is too much.
Ngozi, do not be afraid. You hear me? I am with you. And I will not allow anything bad to happen to you. The gods will not allow anything bad to happen to you.
Yeah.
The gods will save their children. They will save their own. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid, my daughter.
How bad is this woman?
Very bad.
Hey! Hey! Ha! Oh.
Adako.
Papa. Papa.
Yes, my dear. I am going to Nebere's house.
Oh, meeting, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. Father, I heard that the sacred tree, the leaves are falling.
Yes. And they calls for a meeting. That's why I am rushing out now.
I heard some people saying, Father, that if nothing is done about it, that the whole village will be in danger.
That is why this meeting is very important. And it must be a very quick one. Let me go.
Let me see how you people are going to stop this. Bish.
My child, have you heard from the gods yet?
No, she has not heard anything. She has not even...
Some messages do not come early. The sacred tree, the baobab, is withering and the village is trembling. But the gods do not destroy without mercy. What I know is that the gods will not let us all perish. My child, whenever they speak, please do not hesitate. Because when the time comes, the lives of this village will rest in your hands.
Darkness is here. Everywhere is silent. Fear. There is fear in the
Father, a mute child, can the gods choose a mute child to save the whole village?
I am surprised too. But the gods do not work without reasons. Yes. See, if they choose her, that means there's a reason she came to the world.
It will never come to pass. Never. I will do everything to stop it.
Adako.
Father.
It's okay. It's okay.
Our destiny lies on the pathway no one understands. Ngozi is destined to bring light when the darkness arise. She's destined to bring light. No more sorrow, cause Ngozi is here. No more sickness, Ngozi is around. What you put your rani, konyera manani aka. One more Ngozi ka woman, omali jamani, chuku sageje. 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 You can say she's a deaf girl, but no, because you were a pure. If I go Jamie, lady, and I'm back, nobody can stop her at all, because I'm aware of her. You go. If I go Jamie.
What is going on? Okay, just put his head up. Okay. Hold his head up. Okay. He'll be fine, I'm coming. I'm coming. Pound this. Pound this. Pound it. Just make them comfortable as best as you can. Hold it. Hold his head up.
My side. Mama, Ada, Mama, help me.
What is her name?
Ada.
Ada.
Will she be fine? She'll be fine.
Mama, do something, no?
I'm trying. Breathe.
No.
Just let her stay here.
Like this.
Yeah, let her stay. Come here. Ngozi, let me see what you have. Give me.
Hey!
How do you want me to help?
Just don't worry, I'm coming.
Are they going to be fine?
They'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Just this thing, okay?
So, this...
Put him down.
May the gods protect this house. We will return if you need us.
Thank you. You have done so well today. May the gods bless you.
Okay.
Ifoma, you need to calm down.
I do not feel like I've done enough.
No, you do not have to overreact. You have done what you can do today. You have done enough. You have done well. At least you saved lives. You did not do nothing. You did something.
What if more people fall sick tomorrow? What happens then?
There is one thing that I am sure of, Ifoma. You've always done well. You have a very pure heart. And I am sure the gods never forget anyone who has a pure heart.
I just want all this to stop. Let it stop.
Like I said before, Ifoma, the gods never abandon anyone with a pure heart.
There is cold everywhere. Yet, no harmattan, no rain. There's chaos in our community. People gathered in my compound this morning. Children, youths, old ones, even the strong ones are sick. There's no peace everywhere. They cannot endure anymore. We must know what to do before it grows worse.
Mazinduka, I am not asleep. I have not heard anything.
The people are losing patience. The fear in us is getting higher and higher every day.
Mazinduka, I am doing everything in my power. I stay up every night calling upon the gods. But they have not said anything to me. They have not spoken. Even the chosen one has not heard anything from them. Until she hears something from them, there is nothing we can do. We cannot force anything. We cannot.
The gods have not spoken. So, what do I tell our people?
Tell them to be patient. Tell them that fear brings in darkness. The gods will speak, and when they do, solutions will come swiftly.
I pray that the gods will speak so that there can be peace again in this land.
They will. But you know, destiny moves at its own pace.
The gods are wise. Let them speak. Let them speak. We are waiting impatiently. The gods are wise. Adako, you have been acting strangely these days. Is there anything wrong with you? Or does anything trouble you?
Father, I've been thinking about the sacred tree, Buaba, and everything that is happening in this village. Have you people found any solution?
Not yet. Anyway, let me quickly go and see Chief Unyemeji. Go home.
Okay, Father.
Go home and rest.
You people are looking for solution. Before you see this solution, it will be too late for all of you. Let's see how it
Ifoma! Ifoma! Ifoma!
Yes? What is it? What happened?
Hey! Happened? The solution is here.
The solution?
The solution is here.
Ngozi. Thank the gods.
Thank the gods.
Thank the gods.
Thank the gods.
Ngozi, thank you.
gods have spoken, and a solution has been found.
By who?
Behold the child and the guide.
Greetings, my elders.
Welcome, young man.
Greetings. I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but the sacred tree Baobab has revealed to Ngozi the problem with this village. The gods showed her the path. Ngozi here.
Right.
I know this kind of
How?
Yes.
And that's not all. Here is a place she has been drawing things. And then here, this is it. She drew it.
I've had about this symbol before.
Oh, this is the symbol.
Yes.
That is the symbol of the ancient tree. The secret ancient tree. The Baobab.
So what is the next thing to do? Because there is no time.
My elders, I would suggest that that we organize a ritual to revive and restore the sacred tree, the Baobab, immediately. I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm only suggesting.
Mazindu, you heard what he said?
I heard him clearly. That means you have to fix a date for the rituals.
The gods are wise. The date for the ritual has been fixed already.
Oh,
everything. Azenduka, it is going to take place on the next market day.
Eke market day. That's good. The gods are wise.
The gods are wise.
Yes,
Very
Mazi,
wise.
you go ahead, you and your elders, prepare the villagers. Prepare everybody. The child has done her own bit. It now remains on us.
Can you just look at this?
I have seen it.
The symbol is there. The symbol is there.
You see? What the elders see while sitting can never be seen by little children, even if they climb the top of Iroko tree. Elders of Umawa, we have not been abandoned by the gods. Yes. Solution has been found. The only way out is to perform the rituals. And that is it.
Solution has been found.
One.
When? And who is that chosen one?
Ichie, our lives are in danger. And honestly, I can't understand what's happening any longer.
The chosen one is Ngozi here.
Ngozi?
Yes.
The mood girl? She cannot perform rituals before the gods. She doesn't talk.
But since she is the chosen one, she may perform by or with science. No.
You see, no one challenges the gods.
I agree with you, no one challenges the gods, but I can't understand any longer, honestly.
A mute child? How can a child who cannot talk lead the whole village or save the whole village?
Adaku, what are you saying?
How sure are we she did not bring this curse?
Why?
A child without a father.
What's your tongue?
Where did she even come from?
Adako.
Me, I've said my own. No. Let's not allow them mislead us.
Hey! The gods do not choose by mouth. They do not choose by word of mouth alone. They choose by sight. They choose looking into the intent of your heart. They choose by the Spirit. This child sees what you cannot see. She hears what you fear to hear. If the gods chose her in their wisdom, who are you to reject it? Who are you to question their wisdom? Who?
Because our wife. Yes, because our wife. But
you should even be grateful that she accepts to do it. What if she says no? If she rejects, what will become of us? What? Now go home. Go home, everyone! Go home and wait for the day of the ritual. Go home.
A woman with a woman full of secrets.
Adako. Adako.
I am talking to you.
What?
Adako, where did that come from? What was all that? Have I wronged you in any way? Have you been having grudges against me all this while and you never told me? Huh? Adako, you're my family. The only family that I know. The only family I have. Okay, if it's not me, is it Ngozi, my child? What has she done to you? Why did you do this? Why did you say all that?
I said nothing but the truth.
Truth? What truth? What truth, Adako?
You and that child are the problem this village is facing now.
An innocent child? My own child? Ngozi has never wronged anyone. Where is this coming from?
Ever since you came back to this village with that child, everything has turned upside down.
Adako, what is the problem? Why do I deserve this treatment from you? Why do I deserve that embarrassment and insult you gave to me there? What have I done to you? Whatever it is, tell me. I will apologize. I will kneel if I have to. What is the problem? Ogene!
Leave this village with that child before everything gets worse. Excuse me.
When the darkness arrives, she's destined to bring light. No more sorrow, cause Ngozi is here. No more sickness, Ngozi is around. What you put your radi, konyera manani aka. One more na lolo, Ngozi ka woman, omali jamani, jubu sageje. Ngozi ka woman, omali jamani, jubu sageje. Ngozi ka woman, omali jamani, jubu sageje. Ngozi ka woman, omali jamani. Emeka says she's a deaf girl. My no because he wear a pure. Ebube no juriya duwa. If I go Jamie.
Ngozi, do not listen to what anybody is saying. Do not listen to what they are saying about you. Okay? You are special. Mom, you are strong. You will do what you are supposed to do. You will save this land. You will do that which the gods have chosen you to do. Oh? Do not let them stop you. Nothing must stop you. Okay?
Ifeoma, I just want you to take it easy and don't let what Adaku said weigh you down. Don't let Adaku's word make you feel miserable. Just relax yourself. Maybe we'll just let it all slide and calm down, and maybe later we'll all put our heads together to know where this is coming from. Please. Right.
Adaku, what was the meaning of that your behavior at the village square today? What was that? Instead of you to be happy that a solution is found, you were there trying to destroy everything. Look at you. I thought you should be happy that a solution is found. You were trying to destroy everything. I thought Ifeoma is your friend. Is she not your friend? Why do you want to destroy this community? Do you want to bring fire into my family, to destroy my family? It cannot work for you, Adaku. Adaku, behave yourself. Adaku, I want to ask you, are you being influenced by evil spirits or something of that nature? What kind of nonsense is that? Do you want to bring fire into my family? You want to destroy my family? It will not work for you. Hi, Adaku! Tuvia! What nonsense? What evil behavior is this? When a solution is found, what remains is to atone the gods, and there will be peace in our community of Umuawa. You must apologize to the gods. You must apologize to the gods. Have I made myself clear? I ask you, have I made myself clear?
Yes, Father.
Hey! You little girl. You want to bring shame to my family. Adaku, you must apologize. You must apologize. Hey! What? Children of nowadays, it cannot work for you to destroy a great community like this. No way. Hi!
Is not a ritual of strength. It is a ritual of truth. The gods haven't chosen its eyes.
Ngozi.
Stop! No one touches her until the cleansing is done. The tree did not die by chance. It was wounded by envy. By that one that has a bitter heart. Adaku invited the spirit.
She caused it! She caused us. She must be punished.
What have you done?
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
The gods show us mercy. Let us all forgive her.
Our destiny lies on the pathway no one understands. Oh, Ngozi Kamwabo, Ngozi Kamwabo, Omalicha Mani Bube Jubu Sogeje. 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 Ngozi is destined to bring light when the darkness arises. She's destined to...
Ifeoma,
Chike.
there is something I want to tell you.
What is it?
I've been sick.
You have been sick. Since when? Why did you not tell me? Is it your head, your eyes, your breathing? Is it your stomach? Okay, I will prepare something for you.
No.
What is it?
Nature has healed me already.
I do not understand.
I've been sick from loneliness, fear of the unknown. I've been sick from myself. And then, you happened to me. You healed me.
I healed you when? Chike, you're not making sense. I do not understand what you're saying.
Ever since you came into my life, all my fear disappeared. I found the best companion I could ever think of, more than I was ever expecting. I love you. And with everything inside of me, I would want you to be my wife. And I will never stop loving you as far as there is air in my lungs. I will love you for life.
Do you mean what you're saying, Chike?
With everything inside of me, yes.
I love you too, Chike.
Please, forgive me. What I said about you and your daughter came from envy and darkness from my heart. Please forgive me. I have brought shame to myself and the village. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Dago, stand up. Stand up. Sit.
Thank you.
It is okay. What matters now is that your heart has returned. And I forgive you.
Thank you. Help me beg Ngozi.
She will forgive you.
Thank you. It's already dark. I want to be on my way now.
No, you are not going, okay?
It's dark already.
I know, but you came here, so we are going to make this peace in full.
Chike, I am sorry. I am sorry, please. Forgive me. Please.
Let us forgive her.
No, please, I want to know. How do you know my father, Chief Obiefuna, late Chief Obiefuna? I am surprised you addressed me by my father's name.
Your father's blood is not far away from mine. Your father's grandmother was my friend, very close friend. We grew up in this village. We ran around barefooted. We shared our secrets under the sacred tree, Baobab. She left, but her roots never did.
People of Umuawa, win! Hey! People of Umuawa, win! Hey! Win! Hey! Question! Hey! My people, we all are thanking the gods for what they did for us. We are standing here because of the mercy of the gods upon us. We lost our ways. Fear broke our hearts, but unity brought us back. Unfortunately, today is our market day, and that is why so many people, so many youths are not here with us. We thank the gods who selected the least amongst us just to save this community. But let no one ever mock the gods. They don't understand.
The gods have spoken, and they are pleased. Let us henceforth remember today as the day pride failed and love restored.
I think this calls for celebration.
Yes, it calls for celebration. But was it planned? If everybody, in fact, everybody would have been here now.
Mazi, it calls for celebration.
Now we accepted it call for celebration. When? When? That is the question.
The gods will tell us.
Umawa Queen! Hey! Umawa Queen! Hey! Umawa Yin! Hey! Umawa Kajano!
Our destiny lies on the pathway no one understands.
Finally, there is light in our village.
Let's go. By the time of this, she don't know. By the time of 6 o'clock, she's married. Easy.
May the gods of our land be praised. He say,
She don't know. And by the time of 6 o'clock, she already.
finally, the tree of life. He's back. I'm so happy.
I'm happy too.
Let's go to the market square.
Let's go.
If I go Jerry, nobody can stop her at all because our way of life. If I go Jerry, no more sorrow, cause is here. No more sickness, cause is around. What you put here, I China, Ngozi, Omali Jamani, Jubu Sogeje, Ngozi, Omali Jamani, Jubu Sogeje, Ngozi, Omali Jamani, Jubu Sogeje, Ngozi,
You are not going to walk this road alone. The chosen one has spoken. The future has opened its eyes. Her destiny has been secured. Her destiny has been secured.
Envy is a serpent that feeds on the soul. It grows when kindness is ignored. It thrives when love is threatened. But love is the seed that outlives every curse. They said I was a child of silence. But silence is not weakness. It is the space where truth grows. And now I speak, not to be heard, but to remind the world. As long as the tree stands, as long as the village breathes, hope will never be silent again.
To bring light when the darkness arises, she's destined to bring light. No more sorrow, cause Ngozi is here. No more sickness, Ngozi is around. What you put your ready, Konyera Mananyaka. Ngozi ka woman, Omali Jamani, Jubu Sogeje. Ngozi ka woman, Omali Jamani, Jubu Sogeje. Ngozi You can say she's a deaf girl. Man, no, because he wear a pure. If I go Jamie, lady, and I'm back, nobody can stop her at all because I'm aware of her. No go. If I go Jamie, lady, and I'm back, no more sorrow, cause Ngozi is here. No more sickness, Ngozi is around. What you put your ready, go your when onyeka. Oh, we were was in a China, Ngozi,